Universe Philippines Supranational 2025 is no other than Miss Katrina. Hi, Kat! Good evening! Talaga nga namang sobrang nakaka-amaze makita in person si Kat, no? At syempre, how are you today?
Hello, Ding Dong! And of course, mabuhay, magandang gabi, mga Tagigenyo! I'm so happy to be back here, Ding Dong. And of course, kasama ka dahil tayo ay, syempre, proud na proud to be Tagigenyos.
Wow, palakpakan naman natin si Miss Katrina Legado. So meron akong konting question for you tonight, no? Dahil recently, kakatapos lang din ng pageant na iyong sinalihan. Congratulations for winning a crown. Now, yung mga babae at mga kandidata natin sa likod ay nangangarap maging next Katrina Legado. So do you have any message for them? No, na ngayon ay talaga namang na-inspire sila being you here tonight.
Thank you so much, Ding Dong, for that. And of course, standing here today feels so surreal dahil 7 years ago, kagaya niyo rin ako. I was on this very stage, a hopeful Mutya ng Taguig. And now, I return not just a daughter of Taguig, but as your Miss Supranational Philippines 2026. Taguig, ito ay para sa inyo. To the city government of Taguig, led by our visionary leaders, thank you for cheering us and creating opportunities that uplift and empower women. Truly, I am proud to say, babae naman. To my family, friends, my team, and to everyone who stood by me, thank you for holding space for my dreams. You are my strength, my courage, and my life. To every Mutya standing here tonight, I was once in your shoes, but of course, just trust your journey, embrace your growth, believe in your voice, whether you win or not tonight. Know this, you are already becoming the woman that you are. Always carry the heart of a Tagigenya with you. Again, maraming salamat. This is our victory, this is our story, and this is just the beginning. Mabuhay, Mutya ng Taguig!
Thank you so much, Kat, for your wonderful message. And of course, we are truly honored being with you here tonight. For sure, lalong na-inspire ang ating mga candidates para maging susunod sa yapak mo. Once again, maraming salamat, our Miss Supranational from Miss Universe Philippines, Miss Katrina Legado. Now, thank you, ladies. Thank you, Miss Kat. And now, let's talk about what's at stake for tonight, winners. Because winners will not only carry the prestigious title of Mutya ng Taguig 2025, but also